Welcome back to Skibbity Tech. Today, I'm gonna show you the latest updated method to install eSign on iPhone and iPad. And yes, this works without PC and without Jailbreak. And the best part, it supports iOS 15 all the way up to the latest iOS 26.4. I'm personally testing this on my iPhone running iOS 26.4 right now. This is currently one of the most trusted, stable, and safest methods available to install IPA files in 2026. So let's jump straight into it. First of all, download the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Safari, and then open Skibbity Tech website. I will add the website link in the description. Then simply hit on Get Started. Then hit Allow to download the profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Setting, and then open Downloaded Profile, and then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install Downloaded Profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now you will see Skibbity Tech app on your iOS device home screen. Now open the Skibbity Tech app. Now you will see different eSign, Scarlet, K-Sign links available there. Simply hit on Get in front of the first eSign link, and then hit Install to install eSign in your iPhone or iPad. There are more than one eSign links available there, so if one link don't work, then you can try with the other links as well. Once eSign is installed in your iPhone or iPad, now open Setting, and then open General, and then open VPN and Device Management. Then open Enterprise app, and then hit Trust, and then hit Allow and Restart to let eSign app work in your iPhone or iPad. After restart, now you will see that eSign app will start working properly without any problem. Now open the Skibbity Tech app again, and then hit on Search option. Now hit on Get on the first cert link, and then simply save the cert zip file in your iPhone or iPad. Now open your Files folder, and then you will see the Save Cert zip file there. Simply hit on the cert zip file, and then you will have new cert folder with 3 files in it. One of them have a password. Now simply copy the password, and then open the eSign app again. Now hit on 3 dots on top, and then hit on Import option, and then simply select first the mobile provision file from the new cert folder. Then hit on 3 dots on top again, and then hit on Import, and then select the P12 file from the new cert folder. Yeah, let's go. Once both files are imported, now hit on first the mobile provision file, and then hit Import, and then hit on Imported P12 file, and then hit Import Certificate Management. Then simply paste the password, and then hit OK, and now we are good to use eSign app. Now hit on 3 dots on top, and then hit on Import option, and then select the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad, and then hit Import again. Once the IPA file is imported, now hit on Apps option, and then hit on the imported IPA file, and then hit Signature. And then hit Signature again. Now hit Install, and then hit Install again to install your IPA file in your iPhone or iPad. This method is fire because no PC needed, no jailbreak required. Works on iOS 15 to iOS 26.4. Fast and simple. ESign basically lets you sideload apps directly on your device without needing a computer at all. As you can see, ESign installed successfully. IPA files installing perfectly, no crashes. So yeah, this method is 100% working in 2026. So yeah guys, that's how you install ESign plus IPA files without PC and without Jailbreak. If this video helped you, smash that like. Subscribe for more iOS tricks. Comment if you need help, and I'll see you in the next one.